Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kazidelicious and I'm so bored I'm about to gouge my eyes out. And then I'll show you how I did it. So I started out first with one of these little ping pong balls and I used some toilet paper and glue and just kind of twisted that up. And we're going to let that dry while we're working on my face. The thing about working with toilet paper is it just kind of does its own thing. It's very hard to move it. Since I'm doing an eye situation and I don't want to get any toilet paper or glue in my eye, what I'm going to start by doing is creating a glue kind of area, which is going to be kind of around my ocular cavity. Try not to get too much in your eyebrows. You don't want to rip your eyebrows out. And I'm going to start with a piece of paper towel because it will probably be a little bit more durable. And now as you see, as I stick it here, it's not going to look like a square when I'm done because the more glue I add to it, it's going to kind of change the shape. And you have to be careful. Weird to do this with one eye in a camera. Anyway, you have to be careful because this is the part where you can end up ripping it or making it just not look good. And it's kind of good to just kind of follow the feel of it. You want to kind of get a good amount of glue on it. It's going to make it more sturdy once it dries. It's just while it's wet, not sturdy at all. So now I'm just going to blow dry it and get it ready. You want to make sure that it's pretty dry because otherwise when you go to manipulate it, it's going to kind of be goopy. Right now, it's just a tiny bit damp here, so hopefully that'll be enough that it'll make it really movable. So I made sure to dry everything around it really well. So we don't want to pull both layers back because I'm not going to want to get any paint in my eyeball. And you want it to kind of look like an eyelid is kind of hanging there with your eyeball. So we've done that. And once I start to do that, we're going to kind of get some black going in here and some fake blood. And then around the edges, you're going to want to do more of like your skin tone, mix in some red and some bruising colors. So I'm going to work on that next. So as you notice, I put the black mainly in between where the eyelids are and then just a little bit out throughout. And we're going to do some blending. So I just added some regular makeup on there to give it like a skin tone where all the toilet paper look is. And so then with the red, I like to go in and I go outside of the toilet paper line to make it look like there's some bruising going on. Lay it on thick on spots where you're going to put the blood because it's just going to help it clump more and make it look like real blood. This is also a good time that I'll go ahead and paint this guy. If it's not dry, then go ahead and use a blow dryer, dry it off, and get some red on there, and then we'll put some blood on that as well once we attach it. The hardest part is getting the eyeball to stay stuck. So for me, what I did, hold it in place and blow dry it, then add another layer of glue to it and blow dry it again. If it still feels like it needs it, just keep doing that, but make sure you dry it all the way or it's just not going to stick. Once I've added the blood in there, I like to add a little purple. Well, lots of technical difficulty with the eyeball staying, but other than that, I think it looks pretty cool. Let's come into the light. Very grotesque and awesome. And if the eyeball stays, cool, but if not, I think I would still think I look pretty gross. How do you like it? If you have ideas for other things you'd like to see me do, I'll probably do them because I'm bored. Have a good day. Whoop, there goes my eyeball again. Have a good day.